if you want to move data from USB flash drive over to USB flash drive on your Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then once you connect your USB flash drive, you want to open the Files app, which is in the Google folder in the app drawer. Now, once you open this app, then at the bottom, of course, we have our storages. So we have the phone storage and the USB flash drive storage. Now, unfortunately, we cannot really use these categories in order to transfer files because, sadly, when you select files that you want to transfer, and then if you decide to move these files, then you don't have the option to choose a different storage. I'm not sure why that is the case, but this is how it looks like, which means that we have to search for our files inside these storages, which can be a little bit annoying because you actually have to know these folders, or in which folders you can find your files that you want to transfer. Now, you can actually use these categories in order to find in which folders you can find them. So if you go to the file info over here, then here we can see the storage, which in this case is in the DCIM folder in camera. So let's say I want to transfer some images from my phone to the flash drive, so I can go to the internal storage, and then over here I should be able to find my photos. I'm going to select a couple of files that I want to transfer. Then you want to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then you should be able to move. So here we have move to. Then we have the option to move to our flash drive, and then you want to decide where these files should be saved. So I'm just going to go to this DCIM folder, and I'm gonna move it over here. Now, of course, the more files you want to transfer, the longer it's going to take to do so. After transferring them, I'm gonna just go to the flash drive storage, and over here there we go, I have my files. Now, if you want to transfer something from the flash drive to the phone, then it is pretty much the same case. But of course, instead of choosing the internal storage, you choose the USB storage. Over here, you just select your files once again, just like before, tap on these three dots and choose to move to, and then you choose the internal storage, and then you decide where these files should be saved. And that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.